Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be discussing about the topic excretory products and their elimination. This is from class 11 biology. Let's start with today's topic. Animals accumulate ammonia, urea, uric acid, carbon dioxide, water and ions like sodium, potassium, chloride, phosphate, sulphate, etc. Here, these chemicals and ions accumulate in animal body by metabolic activities or by other means like excess ingestion. Here, metabolic activities are nothing but the biochemical reactions that occur in living cells. And ingestion is the process of intake of food into mouth, from where it will pass through different parts of alimentary canal. It is digested and absorbed. Okay, so this is how different chemical substances and ions accumulate in animal body, and these substances have to be removed totally or partially, otherwise they become toxic, which is very harmful for the body. Okay, now let's discuss some of the major forms of nitrogenous wastes. Here, ammonia, urea, uric acid are the major forms of nitrogenous waste excreted by the animals. Ammonia is the most toxic form and requires large amount of water for its elimination. So, among the three different types of nitrogenous waste, ammonia is the most toxic form and requires large amount of water for its elimination. And uric acid, being the least toxic, can be removed with a minimum loss of water. Okay? Now, let's discuss about ammonotelism. The process of excreting ammonia is called ammonotelism. Okay? Here, many bony fishes, aquatic amphibians and aquatic insects are ammonotelic in nature. They excrete ammonia. Here, ammonia, as it is readily soluble, is generally excreted by diffusion across body surface or through gill surface as ammonium ions. So, ammonia is excreted in the form of ammonium ions, and large amount of water is required for the excretion of ammonia. And one of the very important aspects that you should remember is kidneys do not play significant role in the process of excretion of ammonia. Okay, so this is about ammonotelism. Now, moving to the next, ureotelism. Here, terrestrial adaptation necessitated the production of less toxic nitrogenous waste like uric acid and urea. This is to minimize the loss of water from the body. I repeat this once again. Terrestrial adaptation necessitated the production of less toxic nitrogenous waste like uric acid and urea, so as to minimize the loss of water from the animal body. Here, ureotelism. Mammals, many terrestrial amphibians and marine fishes mainly excrete urea and are called ureotelic animals. As they are excreting urea, they are ureotelic animals. Okay? Ammonia produced by the metabolism is converted into urea in the liver. And this urea is released into the blood, which is filtered and excreted out by the kidneys. And one more important aspect is kidney matrix can retain some amount of urea inside to maintain a desired osmolarity. I repeat this once again. Some amount of urea can be retained in kidney matrix to maintain desired osmolarity in the body. Okay? So this is about ureotelism. Now, moving to the next, ureotelism. Reptiles, birds, land snails and insects excrete nitrogenous waste as uric acid in the form of pellet or paste with a minimum loss of water and are called ureotelic animals. As they are excreting uric acid, they are ureotelic animals. Okay? Now, moving to the next, excretory structures in different animals. A survey of animal kingdom provides information about the presence of different types of excretory structures in animals. Here, invertebrates possess simple tubular forms as excretory structures, and vertebrates possess complex tubular organs like kidneys as excretory organs. Okay, now let's discuss about the excretory structures, protonephridia or flame cells. These flame cells are present in platyhelminthes, rotifers, these are wheel animals, and some annelids and cephalocardate amphioxus. So, in these animals, protonephridia or flame cells are the excretory structures. They are primarily concerned with osmoregulation. This is nothing but maintaining the ion and fluid balance, maintaining the water and salt balance in the body. That is osmoregulation. Okay? Now, moving to the next, nephridia. These are the tubular excretory structures of earthworms and other annelids. Okay? They help to remove nitrogenous waste and maintain a fluid and ionic balance. This is nothing but osmoregulation. So, they are helpful in removing nitrogenous waste and also maintaining osmoregulation in the body. This is about nephridia, the coiled tubular excretory structures present in earthworms and other annelids. Now, moving to the next, Malpighian tubules. Most of the insects, including cockroaches, have Malpighian tubules as excretory structures. Okay? These Malpighian tubules help in removal of nitrogenous waste and also in osmoregulation. Okay? And one more type of excretory structures seen in invertebrates are antennal glands or green glands. These antennal glands or green glands perform the excretory function in crustaceans like prawns. Okay? So, this is about today's session. If you are new to my channel, subscribe for more videos. If you liked it, share it with your friends. I'll be back with another video. Have a great day. Thank you.